to see them all sorts with the fans. A nervy South African coach treat it like any. Can they do? Question. They are playing for here at Lords. It is the final test match. There's a lot of a safe word timber, but past that, South Africa too. Has gone wide, even with the overnight field, is still fielding innings. They got an early one who's
ripped his of that one early round under hitting arc, and then here's Pat Cummins, 301st.
From Stubbs' style batting, obviously
of the morning.
tempo, Michael, looking, making sure his misses. He takes it through the offside.
And see it's test match. Good delivery today, Cummins. Nicely timed. Runs taken the first. This short carrot snipped around. 220, and I happened to be, here, and I decided to go in. It was Lord's that year. We'll take a fine shot. Enough for it to reach the fence. 15 needed now. 232 to get. Outside edge. It's a good shot of it.
The South Africans start to feel comfortable.
We showed on the graphic. Ball, that's another glove down the leg. Interested. Only one in. He said he hurt Australia. That was close. One apart from Carey. Put the replay in and up. Delivery inside with the glove because he's two in Australia still.
Well, these two, they're just stark and stuck.
To reverse it in on Kawaja. Steve Smith. Nicely stopped, and that would have run away down the slope. And behind square. Come back. Now it stayed low. May have been just out. View left. Run. It did stop.
The other thing that can be sweeter, so to bring in.
Well, let's suggest a number. Played with no leg slipped, and Mark wants one on the throw. He's busy running that. The onside.
Yeah, the fact. Think about.
Be keen. He's wide of the race away to the back, and that to the really small. Cousin again.
Taking the mindset, you hardly can play much.
Again through the get to the fence. He may get three, but that he'll do it with it. Famous. Is that the fielding, of course, of it? He's out. My goodness, slow motion. So Markram has actually taken.
The honours, South Africa make the result for the Proteas. More emotion takes over. Grandstands 18.
Is that the fielding, of course, of it? He's out. My goodness, slow motion. So Markram has actually taken.
The honours, South Africa make the result for the Proteas. More emotion takes over. Grandstands 18.